ഇവിടെ
അതൊക്കെ
class le mi doni le
c'è come fatto
non kata coach
बाहर कौन सा खेल ले आओ झींगा ये छील ली
बहुत ज्यादा
पानी से बाहर
Hansini,
Sir?
we wait for 2 more minutes. People are joining right now. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening, children. Good evening to everyone. Here we will start the proving sums we'll do, okay? Of trigonometry, we'll do the proving sums.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
Yeah, tell me which question you have doubt.
Sir, second question of homework you have given, sir. 3 questions.
Sir, even I have doubt in the second question of homework.
Okay, let me check the homework first.
Same, sir.
Mm. The CT. Anyone has done second question of the homework? Anyone has done? So first, third question is easy, very easy, right? Third, you have doubt in question number second, right? This cosec theta wala part, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Cosec
Theta
theta plus cot
plus
theta whole square.
is equals to P.
Yes,
Then
sir.
prove that cos theta is equals to P square minus 1 divided by P square plus 1, right? So
Yes, sir.
no one has done in this whole class. You tried, Aditi? You have tried this question?
Sir, I solved it a bit, but I'm still confused.
Monish, on your camera, Monish, Itashi, Sahasra. Monish, you have done this question? Monish?
No, sir, I have one small doubt. I'm just doing it again, trying to answer it.
Okay. Nityasri, you have done this question?
No, sir.
Okay. So here question is cosec theta plus cot theta is equals to P. Then cos theta is equals to P square minus 1 divided. So we have to just convert everything into what? Cos only, right? Means we just try. First, what we can write here is 1 by sine
By
theta
sine theta.
plus cos theta by sine theta is equals to P, right? So now what we
Sir,
can
whole square, sir. Oh, okay, okay, sir. Okay.
Oh, 1 plus cos theta by sine theta is equals to P.
Yeah, 1 plus cos theta by sine theta is equals to P. See, in place of sine square theta, what I'm trying to do, no, everything we just convert into cos. When sine theta can be converted into cos form. So we can write it as cos square theta and is equals to what we can write? 1 minus cos square theta, right? Sine square theta, in place of sine square theta, we can write it as what? 1 minus cos square theta. So in place of sine theta, what we can do? Root of 1 minus cos square theta. Correct?
Yes, sir.
In just place of, we try to write here in place of sine theta. We just try to write over here root over 1 minus cos square theta is equals to P. Now only cos theta, what we can write now? Only cos theta can be done now. Now we can do squaring both sides. Now we can do what? Squaring both sides.
I didn't understand. How did you get root?
How do we get?
Root. Like sine square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. That's not how root did you get? Okay, you took the root here or the square here you took there. Okay,
If we
understood.
remove the square, we'll get that.
Yeah, yes, understood.
So here we can write here squaring both sides, we'll get 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos square theta is equals to P square. Again, what we can write? We can write it as 1 plus cos theta. Again, we'll write here 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. Can we write here y plus b and a minus b?
Yes, sir.
So
So this will get cancelled, over one part will get cancelled, is equals to P square. Next, what we have to do next? For 1 by cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta.
So rationalization.
The rationalization, same thing will get, no? Rationalization, same thing will get, right? Rationalization,
Oh, yes, sir.
the same thing will get here. So cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to P, right? Cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to P. So here, what we can do in the last over here. 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta.
So what if we substitute the value of P square?
What, Monish?
So we can substitute the value of P square in the proven equation.
In the above equation.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. To the
Acha.
equate.
Acha, this P square is 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. We
Yes,
can put in this part you are saying, right?
sir.
Okay, we'll just try now. So 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta whole square minus 1 divided by 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta whole square plus 1. So what do we get? 1 plus cos theta whole square minus 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by 1 minus cos theta whole square, right? This
Like
is
the
a
whole square. Sir, because we find the value of P square, not P. So we have to directly write 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta.
yeah, with the right, correct. So this is a value directly we can write over here. It's not square over here. So again, into we write here. Then we can write 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta again plus 1 minus cos theta. So one part will get cancelled over here. So numerator, what will you get? 1 plus cos theta minus 1 again plus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So you will get only 2, right? So this get cancelled. So we can write here 2 cos theta by 2. So answer is cos theta. Yeah, you got proof, right?
Yes, sir.
So this was the thing what we can just find out. Other method also we can do somehow. Yes, okay, fine. Any other questions you have doubt? Any other question? Homework part, that's it, right? Now we do example, a few proving sums now we do. Let me open the PDF over here. One small question all of you do right now. One very small question I'm giving to all of you. Prove that 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta is equals to cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. A similar question from NCERT. What is the first step we can do over here? What is the first
Sir,
step?
we can rationalize it, sir.
We can rationalize, right? So
Yes, sir.
better what we can do now, we can just go from RHS part. Because it's given in what? Which form? Cosec and cot form. If you do from RHS part, that see LHS and RHS is also fine. But this is given cosec and cot form. This we just better to change into this sine and cos form. The 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta whole square, right? So we'll get it as 1 minus cos theta sine square theta, here is whole square, right? So sine square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. Again, it can be written as 1 minus cos theta 2 times. And down we can write 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta. So one part will get cancelled over here. So lastly answer is 1 plus cos theta, sorry, 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So this was the very easy question. If you do from LHS part also you can do, not a problem. So next question over here is exercise 8.3 question number 2, that is of NCERT exemplar sum. Exercise 8.3 NCERT exemplar. Question number 2. Okay, question number 2 we are doing over here. So tan A divided by 1 plus ck minus 1 tan A divided by 1 minus ck. So 1 plus tan square A is equals to what we get?
Sec square.
Sec square A, right? Sec square A. So 1 minus sin sec square A, what do we get?
Tan square A.
Minus tan square A. Minus tan square A, right? So here if you take from LHS part, if you just try to understand, one method is to convert into sine and cos form easily directly. And second method we are just doing directly over here, 1 minus sec square A, we are taking here what? LCM. So here we get it as tan A, 1 minus sec A, again minus tan A, 1 plus sec A. So tan A minus tan A sec A minus tan A minus tan A sec A whole divided by minus tan square A, right? So in this case, tan A and tan A will get cancelled. Here we'll get it as minus 2 tan A sec A divided by minus tan square A. So here minus minus will get cancelled. 1 tan also will get cancelled. So we get it as 2 sec A divided by tan A. So there are 3 steps over here. First, second, third, and here is the fourth one. This fourth step, anyone having doubt? And
No,
the
sir.
basic concept of what I taught, no, that also you can change directly. Tan and sec you convert into sine and cos form. Okay. Then also answer will come easily. So now this can be written as 2 into, in place of sec, what we can write? 1 by cos A and multiply. Here is division, but I'm writing here multiplication form. And we'll write here cos A by sine A. Why I wrote cos by sine A? Because I'm reciprocal. Tan A is nothing but sine A by cos A. But if we are writing here multiplication, this I'll just reverse this part. So now we can write this got cancelled. 2 by cosec is nothing, sine is nothing but 2 cosec A. This is the final answer for example 8.3 question number 2.
Sir, I didn't understand, sir.
What, Nihal?
Sir, I didn't understand.
Which step? All steps you are not understanding or any particular step?
All steps, sir.
All
Means
steps.
we got
First-
the second step, sir. Clarity in that only. I didn't.
Second step, we just multiplied tan A into 1, tan A into sec A, tan A into 1, again tan A into, this simply we multiplied in second step, that's it. And tan A will get cancelled because plus and minus, right? And
Yes.
the third step, tan A sec become 2 times tan A sec, whole divided by minus tan square A.
So we rationalize it first and we combined it, sir.
We have not rationalized anywhere. We just taken the LCM in first step, we just taken the LCM. Like 1 plus ck and 1 minus ck. LCM is what? Both only.
Minus, yes.
1 minus 6 square A plus B into A minus B, right?
Yes, sir.
If you're feeling this complicated, what you will do, no? This you convert into sine and cos and you can check it out, okay? That way also we get the answer.
Okay,
Is it
sir.
everyone?
Okay, sir.
So now next concept here is question number third is easy. Fourth one, okay, fourth one you just try. Which is easier? I'm not doing those sums.
Okay, sir.
So question number 4. See, question number 4 is sine alpha plus cos alpha, tan alpha plus cot alpha is equals to sec alpha plus cosec alpha. Simply just try to convert into sine and cos form and get the answer as RHS. I'll ask here from Jitasi. Jitasi, just tell me the steps and all. I'll just do in front of you. First step, tell me LHS part will start off, okay?
Yes, sir.
Tell.
Sir, I have to convert it into second cosec, sir. So sine can be written, 1 by sine alpha.
You are going to convert to sec and cosec.
Yes, sir. Because in the
Which one?
RHS it is
Which one you want to convert to sec and cosec? Which part?
sine alpha, sir.
Sine alpha you write 1 by cosec, you'll write.
Yes, sir.
See, you are making complicated the sum. I'm telling you whatever the situation may be, LHS part. First of all, you write in LHS part should be converted to what? Sine and cos form only you do. Okay.
Okay,
Every
fine.
time 90% of the sum you do by sine and cos form only. So this is sine cos already is there, right?
So then we'll convert the tan
Yeah.
alpha into.
Tan and cot you have to convert, okay?
Yes, sir.
So this you write as it is sine alpha plus cos alpha. This will be as it is.
Yes, sir.
And
And-
tan alpha can be written as sine alpha
Sine by cos alpha.
cos alpha plus
Cos
next,
alpha by sine alpha.
cos alpha by sine alpha. Okay.
Yes.
So next step, what we can do? Tell me, Jitashi, next step.
Sir,
Sir, can I say?
multiplying, sir.
Who want to say? Tell me.
Yes.
Yeah, tell me, Nityashri.
We have to find LCM. We have to cross multiply or find LCM.
Okay. LCM is sine alpha cos alpha. Then what you should write?
Up we should write sin alpha cos alpha plus sin alpha cos alpha.
No, we should write sine square alpha plus cos square alpha. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So this is like identity. This whole thing becomes one. Okay. This is one. So now we can write it as next step. What we can write, Nityashree?
We should multiply that with both sin alpha and cos alpha. We should multiply 1 by sin alpha cos alpha. Like we should simplify the brackets by multiplying.
Simply should write here sine alpha plus cos alpha divided by sine alpha cos alpha. It's clear, no? This much.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, Shreyashi, tell me after this what we should do.
Sir, we can then separate it as sin alpha plus cos alpha divided by sorry. Sin alpha divided by sin alpha cos alpha plus cos alpha divided by sin alpha cos alpha.
Very good. Okay.
Comments will be cancelled, sir. One part will be cancelled.
So we just cancel over here. Cos sin alpha cancelled. Cos alpha cancelled. So 1 by cosec cos we got it as sec alpha,
Sin
and
alpha
1 by
plus
sin
cos-
we got it as cosec alpha. Jitasi understood what we should do now here?
Yes, sir.
Automatically answer will come if you are going to do again and again and again.
Correct. Okay, sir. Got it.
So next question here is question number 5th. That is also small proving sums. Values and all is there in question number 5th. Just try to do now here this question. LHS and RHS part do separately over here. Whether both are coming same or not, check it out. So here root 3 into 3 is what? See, first you multiply root 3 with both. 3 minus cot 30. Again, 1 also you multiply with 3 minus cot 30. So next step will be tell by Hansini. What I should do, Hansini, here after this step?
So we need to multiply, sir.
Yeah, tell me 3 into root 3, what I can write here?
3 is root 3.
3 root 3 will come.
3
Okay.
root 3, yes, sir.
Okay, again
Minus-
minus root 3 into cot 30.
So cot 30 will be root 3, sir.
Cot 30 will be root 3, correct.
Yes,
So now we'll write here 3 root 3
minus
and cot 30 will be what? Root 3,
root
right?
3.
Plus 3 minus cot root 30 minus root 3, correct?
So can we take common, sir?
Common you want to take right now. Which common you will take?
Root 3, sir. But
So don't take common right now. Just simply you just multiply first. Okay. Now this will get cancelled. Now 3
Sir,
root 3. Yes.
2 root 3 will get. 3 root 3 minus.
Yeah, we'll get 2 root 3, correct. So we got LHS part is 2 root 3. Now we have to solve for RHS. Yeah, tell me, Nityashree. Tan to the power 3 cube 60 minus 2 sine 60. Tell me what I should write here.
Sir, to be frank, exactly I don't remember the value.
Nityashree, can you on your camera? Your camera is working or not?
Yes, sir, 1 second.
So root 3 to the power 3 minus 2 into sine 60. That is root 3 by 2. So 2 cancelled. So what is root 3 to the power 3?
3.
3 will come.
Yes.
Sir, 3 root 3, sir.
3 root 3.
3 root 3 minus root 3. This is also coming same
How
answer.
is it 3 root 3, sir? Yes, sir, I
Three times you multiply. Root 3, root 3, root 3. What will come? Nityashree. Root 3, root 3 becomes 3. This is root 3 over. Okay, fine. So next question number 6. It's clear to everyone? Question number 5th.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number 6 is also very easy question. But you have to convert only. Without convert, nothing is possible. Just Only proving sums we are doing right now. So proving of question number 6 also proving only. So I'll ask from Sahasra. Sahasra, tell me. First step. Yes,
So
what is
we
the
can
first
sim-
step?
So we can
Yes.
simplify cot square and alpha and
Yes, 1 plus what I should write, tell
One-
me.
1 plus 1 by sine.
Cot square alpha can be written as what? What is reciprocal of cot square alpha?
Sine alpha.
We didn't, if we have not done, I think, right?
It's sec, sir. Sec.
See, tan reciprocal is cot. You know what is tan alpha? Tan alpha can be written as sine by cos, right?
Yes, sir.
Can you remember something? I don't think you have just revised the formula. Just go and revise once again, okay? If you are having doubt, if you are not having the formulas, I'll just let you know. Tell me, although I just tell you once again, okay? Aditi, tell me what we can write for cot square alpha.
Sine theta by cos theta whole square.
That is tan square alpha, Aditi.
Sir, it'll be cos by sine.
Okay,
also.
cos
Cos square alpha divided by sine square alpha, okay? Whole divided by 1 plus what we can write for cosec alpha, Tanishka?
1 by sine.
1 by sine alpha. Now we just do once again. 1 plus cos square alpha divided by sine square alpha divided by 1 plus, sorry, sine alpha plus 1 or 1 plus sine alpha divided by sine alpha. This you understanding what I've done here, this part?
Sir, if you are taking LCM, it will be sine alpha plus 1 by sine alpha, sir.
Yeah, you write 1 plus sine alpha or sine alpha plus 1. Both are same only, right?
Okay.
So next we can write it as 1 plus cos square alpha.
Reciprocal.
Yeah, reciprocal we do now. Sine square alpha into, what is you write? Sine alpha divided by?
1 plus sine alpha.
So 1 sine square and sine square will get cancelled.
It will
what
leave
we can write?
reciprocal of sine alpha.
Reciprocal of sine alpha.
No.
So
it
we'll
will
get
be
to
1 plus cos square alpha by sine alpha plus sine square alpha.
Yeah, sine alpha plus sine square alpha, right?
Yes.
Or we'll write as it is, sine alpha only write, and this is bracket only write 1 plus sine alpha, okay? Why I'm writing no? Because, see, why I'm writing here is, because cos square alpha again we can write is a what? 1 minus sine square alpha, okay? So I'll just convert again, 1 minus cos square alpha, what I can write? 1 minus sine square alpha. Can I write like this?
Yes.
Divided by sine alpha 1 plus sine alpha. I'll do from this side now.
Sir, can we write 1 minus sine square alpha in the form of a square minus b square a plus b?
Yeah, we have to write that only. Yes. So 1 plus sine alpha into 1 minus sine alpha divided by sine alpha into 1 plus sine alpha.
1 plus sine alpha, 1 plus sine alpha cancel.
Yes, 1 plus sine alpha get cancelled. Next, what we can write? 1 plus 1 minus sine alpha divided by sine alpha, correct?
Now we should take LCM again, sir.
Take LCM again. Okay.
Sine alpha plus 1 minus sine alpha.
Sine alpha get cancelled. So 1 by sine alpha, that is what?
Cosec alpha.
See, this question was so simple, no? See how the question was? Question was so simple that this is dragging us to a certain level. See, the question looks very easy. It looks like in one step only we get the answer. But this question took it us for so long it took. Oh. Some other method also we can do any method. See, cot and cosec is there, no? We try to convert in this form. We just try to do identity form, whether we can do it or not. Some other method we try once. So what, I'll just write once again the question. Because cot and cosec is identity, we know, right? So once again, we try once with some different this thing. 1 plus cot square alpha divided by 1 plus cosec alpha is equal to cosec alpha. Let me check with the identity, whether we can do by identity or not, okay? So here LCM, if you consider LCM, we will get 1 plus cosec alpha and plus cot square alpha, right? Divided by 1 plus cosec alpha. In place of 1, we can write here. In place of 1, we'll write here what we can write in 1 plus cot square alpha, right? In place of 1, again plus cosec alpha plus cot square alpha. Hey, one what we can write? We can't write 1 plus cot square alpha. We'll write here as what? See, 1 plus cot square alpha is what? Cosec square alpha, right? In place of 1, what we can write?
Alpha minus cot square alpha.
Cosec square alpha minus cot square alpha. Yes. So we'll write here cosec square alpha minus cot square alpha divided by 1 plus cosec alpha. So this part is getting cancelled over here, right?
Yes.
So this is not there. 1. So we'll write here cosec alpha. You can take common. So we can write here cosec alpha
Plus 1.
plus 1 divided by 1 plus cosec alpha. See.
1 plus cosec alpha cancel.
So this is one other method we found right now. The answer is only cosec alpha. So, but here the small brain is required over here, that we have to convert this one identity as this form. How we got to know that we have to do? Because we know the identity that is cosec and cot forms one identity that I've written over here. So your wish, how we are going to attempt an exam, okay? It's clear, Tanishka, Sriyashi?
Sir, I have a doubt.
In the same question you have doubt, Nityashree?
Yes.
Yeah, I'll write here a steps number. You tell me which step you have doubt. First, second, third. Tell me.
Second one.
Yeah, tell me now. What step? What you are having
I
doubt?
didn't understand how you got cosec square alpha minus cot square alpha, those steps. Because in first step, we only had 1 plus cosec alpha plus cot square alpha.
Okay, see here. This part I have written as it is, right? See, in the second step, correct?
Yes, sir.
But I have changed 1 into this cosec square alpha minus cot square alpha, correct? No?
Oh.
Now see on, I am writing here on the right hand side right now with blue pen, just blue or green I'll write here. See, we know the identity of cos and cotec, cosec and cot, that 1 plus cot square alpha is equals to cosec square alpha. We know.
Yes.
In place of 1, what we can write? Right here 1 as it is. Send cot square alpha to the other side. What we can write? Cosec square alpha minus cot square alpha. Clear?
Sir, so for many things we'll get 1 is equals to. So according to the rest part of the question, we should try to mold it for our convenience.
Yes, yes, yes. So here cos and cot, cosec and cot is coming into picture.
Yes.
So we are finding cosec and cot only.
Okay.
So this is another we got here, right? So it's got
Okay.
cosec alpha. So either you can do in previous this kind of sum or that one. So why you understood this we should convert? Because cosec and cot is forms one, this one identity. That's why I changed. The second part is if you know the formula and try to write in this form, then second part would be easier. But here you should think a small thing over here. We have to convert 1 as this form. So this is like hint for you. So next question is complementary angle is not there for you, right?
No, sir, it's not there.
90 minus theta, that part, sir.
Yeah, 90 minus theta is there. You can do that
My
also. If you
ma'am
want.
taught me.
Sir, it's not there.
Yeah. Now, next is your next question number 8 I'm doing right now. Find the angle of elevation of the sun when the shadow of a pole h meter high. This is actually you have to read, where this you have to read in next chapter, actually, height and distance chapter.
Sir, it is physics.
It is. This is a part of height and distance question, the small concept of it. Okay. See what is given the question here is, if sun is here, right? Sun is here. Find the angle of elevation of the sun when shadow of a pole. See, pole is always on a straight line. Try to understand here this pole. This is h meter. This is what? Pole. Pole and all will be a straight line. If sun falls, this shadow will be like this. Shadow will be this one, √3h. So understanding why I'm writing only this is h and this is √3h. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
See, always pole will be vertical to the ground. That is h. Suppose you are walking on the ground. You see, here is a ground and you are walking on the ground like this. Okay, if you are walking on this side and sun is over here, so this shadow will be falling like this, right? So this is just like pole. Suppose this is like this. Okay, so pole is h, shadow will be √3h. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
In the similar way, see, this part is the pole. If sun is this side, so your shadow will be towards this side. Okay.
Yeah.
If you understood the concept here, you can understand easily. So now which part we know here? We have to find here angle of elevation. Elevation means from which point you are seeing, that is the angle of elevation. See, this is your angle of
So
elevation.
that angle of elevation is nothing but theta, right, sir?
Yeah, angle of elevation means at what angle you are seeing the sun. No, that is your angle of elevation from the ground. From down to
Okay.
top. From down to top. Okay. That is angle of elevation you are seeing to the sun. That is your elevation. So this angle we have to find. If you see from this angle, we got here as this become opposite and this is what? Adjacent, right? So which trigonometric ratio is having O by A? O and A.
Theta.
Tan theta.
So, tan theta, right? So tan theta is equals to O by A. So tan theta is equals to, again I'll write here,
H by √3h. H and H get cancelled. 1 by √3.
yeah,
Which
we'll
is-
get 1 by √3.
30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees.
So tan theta is equals to what? 30 degree.
30 degrees.
So tan theta is equals to tan 30. So theta is equal to 30 degree. This is the final answer. So this kind of question, so many bigger question you'll get in the next chapter. That is height and distance. This is just small clue to you. Small concept. How to find theta. Anyone having doubt in this?
No, sir.
Next question is question number 9. That is very easy question. Only finding some. It's not the proving one. Anyone who is having doubt, just let me know. This question number 9. To see what to do in this question. So simply you can find degree if you want. So many ways are there to do this, right?
So can we take elevation as a hypotenuse?
Tell once again, a bit louder.
Elevation, we can take elevation. You told no, sir, before the question. Elevation as hypotenuse.
You're talking about question number 8 or 9th? Which one?
Yeah, sir. Right.
See, elevation means suppose from down to top, you see, that angle is elevation.
So that we can take it as a hypotenuse.
This is hypotenuse. This one is hypotenuse.
Yes, sir. So we can take elevation as hypotenuse.
Yeah. But why we are not considering hypotenuse over here? Because we don't know the value of hypotenuse.
Yes.
The value which we know, no, that we are considering over here. So we know O and we know A. That's why we have taken the relation tan theta. Okay.
Okay.
So HH cancelled. This one is fine. Yeah. So children, if you're having any doubt anywhere, suppose after the class also, you can call me anytime. You can just message me.
Sir, but like these questions are not there in our lesson of trigonometry lesson.
Yeah, introduction to trigonometry you don't have, but in the next chapter we have this kind of sums. Okay.
Applications.
Yeah, application of trigonometry we have.
Okay.
Not only this, so many harder sums than this also we have.
Sir, I solved the next question, sir.
Yeah, solving the next question is tan theta is equals to, we can write it as 1 by root 3, right? So from
Yes,
here we got theta is equals to what we'll get?
30 degrees.
30 degree. Theta is equal to 30 degree. Now same 30 degree we'll put over here, sine square 30 minus cos square 30. So 1 by 2 whole square minus,
Sir, you can use the identity. Sir, no, sir, no.
yeah, you can use identity also. Yes, correct. So 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4. What will you get the answer here?
1.
Minus 2 by 4. No.
Yes, sir. Minus 1 by
And
2.
sir, instead of that, we know tan
Okay,
theta
sine-
is equals to sine by cos. So sine square, which is 1 square minus root 3 square, is equals to 1 minus 3, which is minus 2.
Yeah, that also we can do second step, right? Second method, what you are telling is tan theta is equals to 1 by root 3. You are saying to consider means this is sine theta, this is cos theta, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So sine square theta is nothing but 1 square and cos square theta is nothing but root 3 whole square, right?
Yes.
So 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. So this both are changed here, right? Both are different answers, no?
Sir, but why can't we use this method?
So let me check once. Here 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2, so 3 by 4. So see here, actually this is not the value of sine theta. Actually, this we sine by theta. Sometimes it applies, but what happens? No. What is the answer? 1 by 2 only, right?
By the fraction also, sir. That's
Sir,
why.
you itself found it that tan theta, the 1 by root 3 is tan 30. So that means tan 30 value is constant, which is 1 by root 3. And how we found 1 by root 3 is in that table, we have written sine by cos and found 1 by root 3. So why can't sine be 1 and cos be root 3? I didn't understand. Why can't we use and do it like that?
One sine by cos if you are considering here. Or let me check in this different way. So check the answer once, children. What is the answer for this ninth one? It's coming 1 minus 2 or minus 1 by 2. I think this answer will be given to
Minus
that.
1 by 2, sir.
Minus 1 by 2.
Okay, 1 minute.
To use the identity.
Sin theta is sine theta by cos theta. So 1 square minus root 3 whole square. As per this formula, we're getting this. Suppose it that some other method also we try. Third method is
So we can just use 1 by
sine theta is 1
2
by
whole square minus
3.
root 3 by
This O by A. H, what will get H over here? Root over
2. 2.
yeah, 2 will get, right? H is equals to 2 will get. Fine. So sine theta is P O by H. O by H
1
whole square minus
square.
A by H whole square. This method, what is coming? The answer, check it out.
Sir, minus 1 by 2 is only coming if you do it this way.
Yeah. So
Yes,
here
this is
O
also
is 1 by 2 whole square. Yeah, same answer is coming here. So A by H. Yeah, there was 1 as 1 by 2 will come.
Why can't we use the second method? So
Yeah, this method we can't use Y. Let me check once. This method is wrong.
Sir,
Why,
can I
sir?
tell, sir?
Anyone can tell me why we can't use the second method over
Sir,
here?
we get 1, sir, we get 1 by root 3 because we are dividing 1 by 2 whole divided by root 3 by 2. So we can only take 1 by 2 as sine theta and root 3 by 2 as cos theta, sir. If that's the case, we cannot take 1 as sine theta and root 3 as cos theta, sir.
So why what Nitesh is telling that sine theta, tan theta, we know the formula, no? Sine theta by cos theta, right? So whatever we
Yes.
write here 1 by root 3, so this is for sine, this is for cos. That is telling that. Why not sine theta
Sir,
is
it
1?
cannot be possible, right, sir?
Why?
But as per the
For few sums
Theta
in our
value is one
textbook
only.
and example only, we had to use this formula to find the other ones.
The theta value, if we take anything, sir, then of course the answer will be sine that divided by cos that. So if we take theta value as 30, sir, then the answer will be sine 30 divided by cos 30, which is equal to 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. That's why we cannot get 1 by root 3 as sine theta and cos theta.
So if we take any other question, like not this question, but any other question, then we are substituting tan theta as sin theta by cos theta.
Yeah, many
Yeah,
So why
one
can we
question-
not use it here?
Yeah, one
many
question we have
questions in our
done.
textbook
Yeah,
only
yeah,
we
one
have
question.
taken.
One question we have done like this. Yeah, both answer was coming same only. One question we have done in the similar way.
Yes, sir.
Then
Yeah,
why not this one?
yeah. I also done 2-3 questions where these answers are not coming. But I think no, this one is ratio actually. We call it as ratio actually. 1 by root 3 is
Yes,
that.
sir. No, it is a simplified product, sir. Yes.
Yeah, this is a ratio actually here, 1 by root 3. Anyway, I just give the clarification in the next class. Just let me think why it's not coming. Okay.
Sir, why can't we say tan 30 is also a simplified ratio? Someone might have found some value, then people simplified it and wrote it as 1 by root 3. Who knows?
I'm not getting your point. Tell once again.
No, sir. Like we have sine 30 as 1 by 2. No, sir.
Yeah.
Now we know it as 1 by 2. Maybe person who discovered it got some value. People simplified it and wrote it as 1 by 2. No, sir. So that might also be a simplified value. No, sir.
Okay. Anyway, this one we are not able to use over here. Why actually?
Oh,
This,
sir.
yeah.
But did not give tan theta, the correct value, right? We took the root 3 this side, the other side, right hand side. That is why I guess the answer is not going to come the same way.
Anyway, you were just saying root 3 tan theta, that you were saying, right? Root 3 tan theta is equal to 1. That way you are saying?
Yes, sir. Because we took the root 3 to the right hand side, right? They didn't give it the correct value. So probably because of that, the answer is going to differ.
Anyway, this part we are not using for time being. Just let you know. This one actually more clarification. We come to the next class. Monish, you know why we are not converting over here? Why the answer is not coming in this case?
Sir, even I don't know.
Yeah. As per my knowledge right now, what I can say is this is just the ratio, The ratio can be anything like, ratio, this is a ratio exact. This is not the value. Here we are talking about the value. See here. Here in this case, we are talking about the value in this case. Like here, see. This is the value, right? Value they are asking. This is just the ratio. What we call this is a ratio of thing. Not the exact value of it. That's why we can't consider over here sin theta, cos theta. But anyway, in the next class, we'll just come with a more clarification way and all. Okay. But for time being, I know here that this is the value. Value can be, the value you are putting over here. This is just the ratio. Ratio may be 2 by 2 root 3. It may be anyways, right? Suppose sin theta ratio, sin 30 value is, sin 30 is 1 by 2. This is ratio, right? Ratio means ratio of perpendicular, opposite and hypotenuse. This may be 2 by 4. This may be 6 by, 12, right? So this is just ratio. This is just ratio we are talking about. And here in the question, they have asked what? Value of sin square theta and cos square theta. So first of all, we should know what the angle is coming. So we should be precious about that. So something is clear, but anyway, I'll come with more more details and all. Okay. So anything we are writing sin theta as this is 1 by 3 just ratio, but here they're asking the value. So we have to be precise with it. Anyway, we'll come to this topic. Something understanding, Ityasri, what I'm saying, something small thing you understanding. What is that? That is just like ratio, 1 by root 3 or something like that.
1 by 2 is also ratio of sin 30 only. No, sir.
Yeah, but we know, no. Now here we know, right? This
And
is
it's also exact 1 by root 3 only. No, sir.
It's not the exact value, no, sir, because they did not give us tan theta is equals to 1 by root 3. We just bought it here, right? So that also might be a reason.
Okay, leave it right now.
No, root
Just
3 into
clarify.
tan theta is 1 means if we bring this side, tan theta is equals to 1 by root 3. Last exercise, few sums like that only we solved. No?
Yes, sir. Last exercise also one question you solved it in the same way, 2 basic if.
Yeah, that's what I'm telling. One question we have done where we got the, luckily we got the answer same.
But that may not be the simplified product, sir, which we have done before. Sir.
Yeah. So next question we do here is ladder one. It's very easy question. Ladder one. A ladder 15-meter long just reaches the top of a
So can
vertical.
you paste the question?
Yeah, I'm just pasting over here. See, this is a question over here. A ladder is 15-meter long. See, ladder, try to understand, ladder is always slant, okay? Ladder is always slant. So here I just make an angle over like this. Make a ladder in the same case like this. So here angle is 60 degree. Ladder is making angle. This is a ladder. See, this is a ladder.
Sir, wall is this one, so 60 degrees will be that up one also.
And wall is here. First, you try to understand what is wall, what is ladder. This is wall, this is ladder, and
Sir, then 60 degrees is in the wrong place.
Yeah, sir, 60 degrees.
Isn't it supposed to be on the
wall,
top?
so it should be up.
so now see here, ladder is 50-meter long. Wait,
Angle with the wall.
let me write completely. This is 50-meter long. This is 50-meter long.
Sir,
So
ladder,
the ladder is
15
15
meter
meters
long,
long. You know the
sir.
wall is 15 meters.
So ladder is 15-meter long, right?
And the above one is 60 degrees, where ladder angle A is 60 degrees.
Sir, angle A is
Yes,
60.
angle A
not-
is 60 degrees, sir.
Sir,
Because
because
they
the
said
ladder-
ladder
The
makes
ladder
an
makes
angle
an
with the
angle.
wall.
It's the angle with the wall.
60 degree with the wall. Okay, yeah. This is 60 degree, not here. This is 60 degree. Ladder is making this 60 degree. Okay. So find the height of the wall. We have to find the height of the wall. We have to find if this is theta, this become opposite, this become adjacent, this is hypotenuse, right? So here we know hypotenuse and we have to find adjacent over here, right? So relationship between adjacent and hypotenuse, that is cos
Cos theta.
60 degree. That is A by H. 1 by 2 is equals to A by 15. So A is equals to what will get?
15 by 2.
Yeah, 7.5 meters. A is equals to 7.5 meters.
Okay, so first we have to find the relation and which one is applying that and how many degrees is there. That formula is equals to that number and we have to find.
Yeah, that's it. Which one thing will be given to us, one thing we have to find, and relation between those two sides we have to do. That's it. So next
Now opposite side is a wall or ground.
no, wall is AB. Wall is AB. No, wall is always vertical.
Yes.
See, this is floor. No, this is the floor, right?
So, but adjacent will be the base, right, sir? But why you wrote the wall? I didn't understand.
See, you know the basic concept. No, if any right angle is given to you, if this is theta, your opposite will be what? This one. Adjacent will be this one, hypotenuse. So you should not means what? Get confused over here. If this is the angle, if you see from this side, obviously this is opposite. It's not adjacent, right? It's
Okay.
common only, right?
Yes, sir.
So now question number 11th. 11th is you have to find the value of simplify. Question number 11 is simplification. 1 plus tan square theta into 1 plus sine theta. 1 plus sine theta. Just so simply you convert it to sine and cos. That's it. So 1 plus sine square theta divided by cos square theta. Again 1 minus cos sine theta. We can write 1 minus
We
sine.
can just take the identity
minus
here,
sine
right?
square
1
theta.
plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta.
What 1 minus? What's sec square theta? What? Tell once again.
So can we
Yeah.
not just take the identity? 1 plus tan square theta is
Sir, I have another method.
Equals to sec square theta, sir.
1 minute. Let me just write first. So this become
1
cos.
minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So cos square theta cancel. Sin square theta plus cos square theta.
Yeah, what you're saying, all of you are correct. Yeah. The same thing we can write it as like this only. So this was very easy for you. So we move to the next 12th question. Two sin square theta minus cos square theta is equals to 2. Find the value of theta. So how we can find the variable? If any one thing will be there, there are two variables over here. Sin theta as well as cos theta. What we do now, either we convert sin into cos or we convert cos into sin. Which one you want to convert? Tell me.
Sin to cos.
Sin into cos. Fine. We just convert sin into cos. So 2 into 1 minus cos square theta. Again minus cos square theta is equals to 2. 2 minus 2 cos square theta. Again minus cos square theta is equals to 2.
So 2 minus 3 cos square theta.
Yeah, 3 cos square theta is equals to 2. So we can write 3 cos square theta is equals to what?
0. Sir, minus 3 cos square theta.
Don't write minus 3. See, I have sent, no, you just considering in mind only that I have sent this minus 3 square theta on the right hand side. Okay.
How, sir? We have sent 2 that side and made it 0 now.
See what I have done here. Here 2 minus 2 is equal to 3 cos square theta. Correct. Or if you want to do, you can do in this way. Minus 3 cos square theta is equals to 2 minus 2. Right.
Yes.
So minus 3 cos square theta is equals to 0. It's actually same only. Both
So
are
cos
same.
square theta is 0.
Yeah. So cos square theta is 0. See what I'm always trying to make, no. What I'm finding over here, I try to make it positive. Okay. So before only that, I just send this one side, this side. All right. That way I solve. So next year cos square theta, which cos theta is going to what? 0 when we get? Cos square 0. 0 when we get?
Sir, 90, cos 90.
90. So theta is equals to 90 degree, right? So value of theta is 90 degree. That's it. Over. Next question, I will do question number 15th. 13 and 14, 13th is based on your 90 degree. That's complementary angles. 14th you can just do at home. 14th one is like just like height and distance question, application of trigonometry. Now do solve this one. This is the last question of today. Question number 15th. Show that tan to the power.
The homework question.
Yes, so this is the homework question.
No, this you should do right now. Homework is the 14th one. That is very easy question. You should do this. Only you have made the diagram over here.
The yesterday's or day before yesterday's homework question.
Yes, sir,
We
you
have already
gave day for yesterday homework.
Yes, sir. This is
The
already.
same homework was there,
answered
this
the
one.
question.
Day before yesterday, you gave us as homework. The first
You have
question.
done. All of you done this.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
all right.
Yes, sir.
Another question, I'll just give it to you then. This question is 8.4. Question number 3rd, I believe. 8.4, question number 4th. This is 8.4 exemplar. So 1 plus sine square theta is equal to 3 sine theta cos theta. You have to prove that tan theta is equals to 1 or 1 by 2.
Sir, what do you mean by
Only
or
one variable equal to two values?
So tan theta maybe one, means two things will come. Just try. Means suppose you are getting no, like equation and all. In equation you're getting two answers, right? In that way only should find. Just try once what we can do over here. If 1 plus sine square theta is equal to 3 sine theta cos theta.
Sir, can we simplify 1 plus sine square theta as cos square theta? Then we'll get cos square theta.
We
is
can't
equals
write
to-
no. How we can write 1 plus sine square theta? How we can write cos square theta?
Not, sorry, minus cos square theta.
No, minus also you can't write. No. We can't write minus also.
Sir, we can make sine square theta as a cos theta form, sir. Like using the identity.
What, tell once again,
One-
Shreyati?
Sir, I'm telling like for this for the LHS side, we can write it as 1 plus 1 in 1 plus 1 minus cos square theta.
Okay.
Sir, 1 plus sine square theta is cos square theta only, no, sir. Formula
No.
is, okay, no.
Cos square theta is 1 minus sine square. Like this will come. If 1 plus sine square theta is equal to 3 sine theta cos theta. So anyone knows this? How to do? Anyone, Monish?
Sir, thinking.
I think we can just convert this 1 into sine square theta plus cos square theta. This one is there, no? This one we convert into sine square theta. We can write 1 as what?
Sine
Sine
square theta plus cos square theta.
Plus cos square theta. Again plus we write sine square theta, right? Is equals to 3 sine theta cos theta. Again, what we can write? 2 sine square theta we can write. In place of this 2, we can write 2 sine square theta.
Sine square theta, sir.
Plus cos square theta is equals to 3 sine theta cos theta. And then what we do is, if you bring this sine theta cos theta on the left hand side, suppose here I'm writing here minus. So can I write is equals to 0? Can I write?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now can we make quadratic equation somehow? So what I'll just trying to understand here. 2 sine square theta I'll write as it is. This one I'll write in the middle part, 3 sine theta cos theta. And here I write plus cos square theta, okay, is equals to 0. I'm just trying here to make quadratic equation, right? Like, here 2x square minus 3x plus 1 will be there, no, like this. Splitting the middle term, you have read, splitting the middle term.
Yes, sir.
2x square, again we can write here minus 2x minus x plus 1. So 2x common, x minus 1. Again here 1 common, x minus 1. 2x minus 1 into x. All of you know this concept?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
So what I'm trying to do here is, see this and this is the product. So we can write it as 2 sine square theta. And here we write as it is plus cos square theta. In between what we can write is minus 2 sine theta cos theta. And again minus sine theta cos theta. It's clear what I wrote here?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Minus sine theta cos theta and here plus. Now again we just make common over here, this 2 common separately and this 2 common separately. Okay. So what? So 2 sine theta is common. So we'll write here sine theta minus cos theta. Again here common is cos theta. Sine theta minus cos theta. Another 2 sine theta minus cos theta. So here sine theta minus cos theta is equals to 0. Again, what is the answer for this? 2 sine theta minus cos theta is equal to 0. Or we can write Sine theta minus cos theta is equals to 0. So 2 sine theta is equals to cos theta. So sine theta by cos theta is equals to 1 by 2, right? First one is 1 by 2. And here sine theta is equal to cos theta. So sine theta by cos theta is equals to what? 1.
And it also.
So tan theta is equals to what? 1. So see both answers we are getting over here. One tan theta is equals to 1 by 2 or tan theta is equals to what? 1. So finally we got the answer over here. So our main concept here is this part. See this one. Splitting the middle term will help us in this question.
Sir,
Okay.
instead of doing the splitting the middle terms, can we do something else other than this, other methods?
Something we can try. So many things can come out if we try again and again. But till now I know this one only. We can try so many things, not a problem, right? We can try now. We can just try some different ways, like 1 plus sine theta is there. No, we can divide by 3 sine theta cos, but it won't come in this way. Some complicated will happen. So time being, we know this one only. But we can try by some different method also. I'll just try it before. It's like 1 plus sine square theta. So if you do something 1 plus 1 minus cos square theta, should become 2 minus cos square theta, right? 2 minus cos square theta is equal to 3 sine theta cos theta. Again,
Yes, sir, this was what I was telling you in the starting.
okay, cos square theta minus 3 sine, plus 3 sine theta cos theta minus 2. But what is the problem with this? No, because here see, splitting the middle term, sum is coming in sine and cos both, right? And your product is only cos, so we can't use this method, right? Here, sum is coming in sine and cos form both, but product is only cos, so we can't use this method. Do by just try some other method, keep on trying. Some method will get 100%, not like only one method is there. So many methods are there for a single sum. Okay, so we'll stop the meeting here itself. All right, again I'll give you a few questions from 8.4 you have to do now. Okay, so that's all for today. So let's stop the meeting here.
Yes, sir.
All right, children, if you can leave for the day. I'll just
Thank you, sir.
Bye,
homework.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. I'm sending right now only to you
Thank you, sir.
people. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Bye.